Hey Don, how familiar are you with the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe? Well, to start with this particular vehicle, this vehicle gives you a 16 city and 20 highway miles per gallon, also 18 combined for city and highway. And it also gives you about a 432-mile range to empty. Second, it has a safety rating of 4 out of 5 star with also NHTSA safety test. Third of all, it comes with a bumper to bumper limited warranty of 3 years, 36,000 miles, and also 5 years, 60,000 miles power terrain, driven terrain warranty. And last, what I personally like about this vehicle is the 4-corner air ride vehicle suspension, which basically you can lift or lower the vehicle automatically, manually, that's what you could say. Well, if you have any more questions, visit us. You can give us a call or visit us at Classic Chevrolet. Thank you.